Teesta is a 414 km long river that rises from the mountains and glaciers of eastern Himalayas, flows through Indian state of Sikkim and West Bengal, and enters Bangladesh to eventually fall into Jamuna or Brahmaputra river, which after meeting some other major rivers of Bengal Delta finally falls into Bay of Bengal. In local languages here, Khola or Chu means river. The river Teesta originates as Chombochu from Cholamu Lake at an altitude of 5,280 meters above sea level at Mangan district, about 4 kilometers southeast of international border with China. The lake lies at the snout of Teesta Khanse Glacier, descending from Pahunri Peak in northwest direction. A stream from Guru Dongmar Lake also contributes some water to the origin. The river then flows southwards through gorges and rapids in Sikkim Himalaya, passing Thangu Valley, Yathang, to drain the first tributary near Lachen. This tributary is formed by two streams. Zenu River originates from Zenu Glacier in the east of Mount Kanchenjunga, and Lonak River originating from Lonak Peak, the Lonak Glacier, and the Lonak Lakes. On the early morning hours of 4th October 2023, South Lonak Lake outbursted, causing Glacial Lake Outburst Flood (GLOF) in the Teesta River. The Teesta then flows near Lachen, Latong to meet Lachung River in Chungthang. Lachung River has its tributaries, namely Yumthang River originating from southwest and Sebajong River from south of Pahunri Mountain. It passes Yumthang Valley of Flowers, Lachung, and finally meets Teesta River or the Lachen River in Chungthang. Chungthang had a Teesta 3 hydroelectric project dam, a 1200 megawatt output, which was completely destroyed by the GLOF event on October 2023. The much wider Teesta then joins Rangyong or Talung River near Mangan, which is sourced by glacial waters from southeast of Kanchenjunga and east of Mount Pandim. Glaciers from south of Mount Pandim and Mount Kabru give rise to tributaries forming Rangit River, which is the main tributary of Teesta. Rangit and its tributaries passes near many towns in Gezing district, Soreng district, and Namchi district to finally drain into Teesta at a place named Triveni between Malli and Teesta Bazar. Tracing the Teesta back now, it flows near Mangan town to reach Dikchu, where it meets Dikchu River and its tributaries. Dikchu is the site of 96 megawatt Dikchu River hydroelectric power project as well as 510 megawatt Teesta 5 dam. As the Teesta flows southwards with many small tributaries joining from Namchi and Gangtok district, it reaches Singtam. The famous Indrani Bridge at Singtam was totally washed away by the GLOF event in October 2023. Singtam houses Teesta 6 Dam, a 500 megawatt project. Rani Khola and its tributaries from Gangtok and Pakyong district meets Teesta at Singtam. Now, a bigger Teesta flows south near Bardang and reaches Ramphu, where it meets Ramphu River, the second largest tributary of Teesta in Sikkim, sourcing from Pakyong district of Sikkim and Kalimpong district of West Bengal. It flows further down near Malli to reach Triveni, where it is met by Rangit River as talked earlier. It marks the end of journey of Teesta in Sikkim state, whose both banks are now under West Bengal state of India. It passes near Teesta Bazar and flows south to meet Reli River from Kalimpong district and Riang River from Darjeeling district at Riang. Teesta Low Dam 3 is located here at Riang. Teesta Low Dam 4 is located at Kalijhoda near Sevok, where the hills begin to dwarf and a huge Teesta then flows in the plains. Teesta Barrage at Gazaldoba in Jalpaiguri comes on its path. Now, Teesta flows through plains of Jalpaiguri district and east of Siliguri town. Many tributaries like Jaldaka from Duar's side on the east joins Teesta. Then it flows in the Kuch Bihar district and joins Bangladesh through Rangpur division, with a journey of 305 kilometers out of the total 404 kilometers in India, and the remaining 109 kilometers in the districts of Bangladesh to finally drain into Jamuna River or the Brahmaputra River at Fulchari Upazilla in Bangladesh. So this was the journey of the River Teesta in the hills and in the plains.